start with the warm-up. Right leg comes out. Let us start with ankle rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. The other way around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Bring your toe up and down, toe up and down, toe up and down. Fingers up and down and fingers up and down. Right leg comes back. Left leg goes out. Let us start again with ankle rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. The other way around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Toe up and down, toe up and down, toe up and down. And fingers just move up and down. Left leg comes back. Let us start with knee rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The other way around. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let's come up. Let's come to our waist now. 10 count. Shoulder width distance apart between the legs. Let us start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. The other way around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Let's come back. Let us start with arm rotation. The right hand side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. The other way around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Left hand. Let us start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. The other way around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Let's start both hands together now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. The other way around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Very good. Let us start with neck rotation from the right hand side. Inhale. Let's go back. Slowly and slowly exhale. And come down. 2. Inhale from the right hand side again. Exhale. And come down. 3. Inhale from the right hand side again. Exhale and come down. 4. Inhale from the right hand side again. Exhale and come down. 5. Inhale from the right hand side and exhale slowly and slowly and come back. Let us start from the left hand side now. Left hand side. Exhale and and come back 2. Inhale from the left hand side, exhale and come back 3. Inhale from the left hand side, exhale and come back 4. Inhale from the left hand side, exhale and come back. Count 5. Inhale once again from the left hand side, left, exhale and come back. Let's look up now. Inhale, look on the right hand side. Let's come back. Inhale, left hand side. Come back. Inhale, right again. Come back. Inhale, left again. Come back. Inhale, right again. Let's come back. Inhale and left again. And let's come back. Now, inhale, let's look up. Back. Inhale, let's look down. Back. Inhale, go up. Back. Inhale, let's go down. Back. Inhale up again. Back. Inhale down again. And back. Inhale, let's bend on the right hand side now. Back. Inhale, bend on the left hand side. Back. Inhale, bend on the right hand side. Back. Inhale, bend on the left hand side. Back. And inhale, bend on the right hand side again. Back. Inhale, bend on the left hand side. And back again. With this, let us start with our exercises for today. So we have about 5 to 7 exercises. We will do 2 rounds and we will do each for 1 minute. After that, we start with the burpee challenge today. We will do 5 counts and then we will do 5 rounds of Surya Namaskar. So with this, let me start the counter for today. Just give me 1 minute. So let us start. Okay. So the first exercise will be just to bring some, heartbeat up. What we will do is that you can have some distance between your legs and we will do just dummy skipping. So you can move your hands up like this and then we will start jumping for 1 minute. We can just rotate our hands like this as if there is a rope in our hand and we will start jumping for 1 minute. Okay. So let me start the counter, Gayatri ji. Yes, very good. You are showing me a demo that you are able to do it. Very good. So I am starting the counter now for 1 minute. Let us start. Let us start, everyone. Skipping. Very good. Very good. Continue to do. Very good. This will bring your heartbeat up. We are done with 15 seconds. Very good, Dr. Han. Very good, Vijay. Gayatri ji, very good. Are you remembering your childhood days? We used to do all this, right? Very good. We are almost halfway through. 30 seconds done. Very good. 40 seconds done. 20 more seconds to go. Very good. Let's continue doing it. Come on, Dr. Rani. You can do it. Last seconds to go. Yes, very good, very good. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Very good. Okay, so we are done with the first exercise. The second exercise will be, we will try to touch the knee on the right hand side. Okay, so we will keep doing this on the right hand side for 1 minute, and then same thing on the left hand side for 1 minute. Okay, and then from here only touching the left leg, again this for 1 minute, and then right leg toe touch for 1 minute. Okay, so 4 minutes. Let's try doing it. Right, first this for 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, and 1 minute. Okay, chalo. So I am starting the counter now. Let us start from the side touch. 1, very good. 2, 3. Come on, let's start. 1 minute. We are almost done with 10 seconds. Very good. Keep going. I hope you had something before 2 hours. Very good. Let's try. Keep going. Keep going. And almost halfway through. Yes, 30 seconds are already over. Try to go up more and more. Very good. Up, up, as much as you can. And 45 seconds over. Very good. Very good. Come on, Dr. Annie. Come on, Lisa Didi. Very good, Gayatri ji. 55 seconds over. Very good. And we are done. Okay, let me stop the counter. Reset. Let us start on the left hand side. 1, come on, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10 seconds over. Very good. 7, 8, 9, and 10. Come on. Very good. Very good. And we are almost going to finish. 30 seconds and done. We are halfway through. We will have to do it for half a minute more. Very good. Come on. Let us do it. Let us do it together. And we are almost done with 50 seconds. 10 more to go. Very good. Yes. Yes, yes, and done. Very good. Okay, so now, like I told you, you can place your palms behind the head or place it at your waist, wherever you are comfortable with. Maybe waist will be better. And then with left hand, right toe, with left hand, right toe, with left hand, right toe for 1 minute. Okay, and then same thing from the other hand, other side. Chalo, let us start. Okay, right hand, left leg touch. 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 seconds over. Let's go. 5 more counts. Come on, very good. 8, 9, and 20 seconds over. Very good. Next 5. Come on. 3, 4, and 5. Done with 30 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Done with 40 seconds. Last 20 seconds to go. Come on, everyone. I hope you are enjoying it. Come on. Almost done with 50 seconds. Last 8, 7, 5, 4, and done. That's it. Okay. Let us start with right touching the left. 2, 3, 4, without bending the knees. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 40 seconds over, 20 more seconds to go. Very good. Let's do it together. Another 10 seconds to go. We are done with 15 seconds. Very good. Last 8, 6, 4, 2, and 1. Okay? Just stop for some time. Just look at me, the next two exercises. So we did skipping, we did side knee touch, toe touch, and now you all know it's very simple. We will do high knee. Okay? So we will try doing two exercises like this and then butt kick. Okay? So we will kick back. Okay? So both these exercises again we will do for 1 minute each. Okay? Chalo, come on. So I am starting the counter. Let us start. Very good. Let's try to do it a bit faster. If you can do fast, very good, Gayatri ji. Or if you want to go slow, it's okay. Very good. Good speed by everyone. Very good. Let's do it. 20 seconds over. Very good. Bring it up. Come on. Bring it up as much as you can. Very good. And almost halfway through. 30 seconds over. Very good. I hope you all are sweating by now. Very good. 45 seconds over. Come on. Last 10 seconds to go. Yes, Leela. Come on, let's do it. Let's not stop. And we are done with 1 minute. Very good. Okay. So now we will start with butt kick. Okay, for 1 minute. Chalo everyone. Let us start with butt kick. Come on. Okay. Yes, very good. Let's kick our butts. Very good. 15 seconds over. Very good. 20. Done. 25 seconds are over. And with this, we are halfway through. Yes, yes. Let us do it. We can do it together, everyone. Come on, 40 over. Last 15 seconds to go. After this, 2 more exercises on the mat. So you can relax and then we will do 1 more round of the same way as this. We are done. Let us come down on our mats now. Okay? So just have a look at me. It's easy, we generally do this. Bicycle crunches. Okay? We will do for 1 minute. And then what we will do? Just clap like this and then clap like this. Then clap like this, then clap like this. Clap and clap. Okay? So 2 exercises for 1 minute each. Now, after this, we will try to repeat the entire thing. Okay? Chalo everyone. Let us start with bicycle crunches. So, left touches the right, right touches the left, left touches the right, right touches the left, left touches the right, right touches the left. Very good, Gayatri ji. You are rocking. Very good, Lija Didi. Very good try. Come on, Dr. Rani. Yes. Very good. We are almost done with 25 seconds. Hardly left with 30 seconds to go. Very good. Come on. Right. Left. Right. Left. Right. left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, and left. Last 8 seconds to go. With this, we are almost done with the first round, and we are done. Last stretch or the last exercise to go. What we will do is, let us start. So we are here, tap, then back, tap, then back, tap, then back, and then tap, and then back, tap, back, tap, back, tap, and back. Very good. Gayatri, we try to bring the hands back once, okay? So यहाँ पे touch किया, back, then touch किया, back, then touch किया, back, touch, back, touch, back, touch, back, and then touch. Okay, we are done with 40 seconds. Come on, Lisa Didi, let us start again. Okay, one, back, one, back, one, back, one, back, one, back, one, back, and we are done with all the set of exercises. Okay, let us sit. So today we will start with Kapalbhati Pranayam. This week we will be doing, entire week we will do Kapalbhati Pranayam. Okay, so in Kapalbhati Pranayam, again we will sit straight, back should be straight, chin will be straight, your both the hands will be in Prapti Mudra, and what we will do is, we will inhale once, and then exhale, and then keep exhaling forcefully. Okay, so Gayatri ji, I know you know it, Lisa Didi, you know it, Dr. Annie, Stella, you know it. Dr. Annie, I will tell you what you have to do is, just sit straight, inhale, exhale, and then forceful exhalation. Just look at me once. Okay, so I am just exhaling. There is no inhale at all, only exhalation. And when you are exhaling, your stomach is going in. Again coming out, again going in. Out, in, out, in, out, in. There is no inhale. So maybe in your mind, you can do 30 counts. Then you can just do one inhale and then again start exhaling. Okay? So we will generally practice it for minimum of 2 minutes. So you can do counting in your mind. Initially, your back may start paining over here. It's okay. Do 30 counts. Take 10 seconds rest and then again start for 30 counts. Okay? Chalo everyone. So we will start for 2 minutes of Kapalbhati Pranayam. Inhale and exhale and then forceful exhalation. Dr. Annie, your belly has to go inside. See, like this. It's okay, don't worry, the entire week we will be practicing it, you will get to know. Don't worry. Okay? So, it's only exhalation. Okay? Let us stop here. So with this, what we will do is, we will start with 5 burpees, the burpee challenge that we have taken for this week. Today we will do 5 counts. Wednesday we will do 10 counts. Thursday we will do 15 counts. Saturday we will do 20 counts. And Sunday we will do 25 counts. Okay, so this entire week we will increase burpees by 5 counts. Okay, So let us start. Let's come up at the beginning of the mat. 5 count. We all can easily do it. Okay. Let us start. Okay. So burpees. Jump up, down, jump back. 1 push-up. Come up, jump in and back. Okay. Dr. Annie, let us start. Okay. So the first count starts now. Jump up, down, jump back, push up, come up, jump in. 1 done. 2, jump up, down, jump back, push up, come up, jump in and back. 3, jump up, down, jump back. Very good. We will do together. Push up, come up, jump in and back. 4, jump up, down, back, push up, come up, jump in and back. Last count. Jump up, down, back, push up, come up, jump in and that's it. So we are done with 5 burpees. Okay. From here, let's continue. We will do 5 rounds of Surya Namaskar and then we will come back to the original set of exercises that we did for 1 minute each. Okay. So with this, let us start with 5 Surya Namaskar. Join your pranam. 1, inhale, exhale. 2, inhale, bend back. 3, exhale. Slowly and slowly bend down as much as you can. 4, right leg comes back. 5, left leg comes back. 6, knee down, chin down, chest down. 7, Bhujanga Asana. 8, Adho Mukhi. 9, right leg comes back between the palms. 10, left leg comes back between the palms. 11, inhale and bend back. And 12, Pranamasana. Very good. 13, Pranamasana again. 14, inhale and bend back. 15, forward bend once again. Try to go more and more this time. 16, left leg goes back now. Ashwasanchalanasana. Knee down, Vaprani. Left knee down. Toe out. 17, right leg also goes back. Sanchalanasana or plank. 18, knee down, chin down, chest down, Ashtanga Pranam. 19, forward, Bhujanga Asana. 20, come in Adho Mukhi Svanasana. 21, Ashwasanchalan, left leg comes back between the palms, right knee is down, toe out. 22, right leg comes back and just hold your ankles from the back and push as much as you can. 23, inhale and bend back. And 24, Pranamasana. With this, we are done with the first cycle. 4 more cycles to go. 1, 2, bend back. 3, forward bend. 4, right leg goes back. 5, left leg goes back. 6, Ashtanga. 7, Bhujanga. 8, Adho Mukhi Svanasana. 9, right leg comes back between the palms. 10, left leg comes back between the palms. 11, inhale and bend back. 12, exhale, Pranamasana. 13, inhale and exhale. 14, inhale, bend back. 15, exhale, forward bend. 16, inhale, Ashwasanchalanasana. 17, exhale, Santulanasana. 18, inhale. 19, exhale, Bhujangasana. 20, inhale, Ashwasanchalanasana. 21, left leg comes back between the palms once again. Inhale. Exhale, forward bend. Inhale, come up and exhale. With this, we are done with the second cycle. Third cycle. 1, 2, bend back. 3, forward bend, 4, right leg goes back, 5, left leg goes back, 6, Ashtanga Pranamasana, 7, Bhujang Asana, 8, Adho Mukhi, 9, right leg comes back between the palms, 10, left leg comes back between the palms, 11, Hastasthanasan, 12, Pranamasan, 13, once again Pranamasan, 14, Hastasthanasan, 15, Padasthasan, 16, Ashtasanchalanasana, left leg goes back this time, 17, right leg goes back, Santulanasana, 18, Ashtanga Pranam, 19, Bhujangasana, 20, Adho Mukhi, 21, left leg comes back between the palms, inhale, exhale, 22, right leg comes back, inhale, go up, and 24. We are done with third cycle. Very good, Dr. Annie. Good to see your daughter also doing. Very nice, very nice. We will start with the fourth cycle. 1, 2, inhale, bend back. 3, forward bend. 4, right leg goes back. 5, left leg goes back. 6, Ashtanga Pranam. 7, Bhujang. 8, Adho Mukhi. 9, right leg comes back between the palms. 10, left leg comes back. 11, bend back. And 12, 13, 14, bend back again. 15, exhale, forward bend. 16, left leg goes back. 17, right leg goes back. 18, Ashtanga Pranam. 19, inhale, Bhujang. 20, exhale, Adho Mukhi. 21, inhale, Ashtasanchalan. 22, exhale. 23, inhale, and 24. With this, we are done with 4 counts. Last count of Surya Namaskar. 1, 2, inhale. 3, exhale. 4, right leg goes back, Ashtasanchalan. 5, left leg goes back. 6, Ashtanga. 7, Bhujangu, inhale. Exhale, Adho Mukhi. Right leg back, inhale. Left leg back, exhale. Inhale once again, bend back. And exhale. Inhale, exhale. 14, inhale, bend back. 15, exhale. 16, left leg goes back, inhale. 17, right leg goes back, exhale. 18, inhale and exhale, Ashtanga Pranam. 19, inhale, Bhujang. 20, exhale, Adho Mukhi. 21, left leg comes back, inhale. 22, right leg goes back, exhale. 23, inhale. And 24, exhale. With this, we are done with 5 rounds of Surya Namaskar. Let us sit to continue with the second round of pranayam for today. Okay? Let us sit once again and let us first normalize or channelize our breath. So 3 counts, just do normal inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. One more count, inhale, exhale. And now we will start for 2 minutes of Kapalbhati Pranayam. You can sit straight, back straight in Prapti Mudra and then inhale, exhale and then start exhaling only. Last half minute to go. Let us do 30 more counts. And with this, we finish the second set of pranayam for today. Let us start quickly and let us try to finish the 6 to 7 exercises that we did at the beginning of the workout for today. So let's come up once again on the mat. So we will start with 1 minute of skipping, dummy or virtual skipping. Okay, and then with that we will start with right touch, then left touch, then left toe touch, right toe touch, then high knees, butt kick, and then last lying on the mat and bicycle crunches. Okay, so with this we will start quickly. Let us start with virtual skipping. Come on everyone, let us start. Okay, yes, very good. Come on Leela Didi. Yes, let us put it out today. Monday evening, okay, before sleeping. Come on, let's do it. Yes, let us do it. Yeah, we are done with 20 seconds. 40 more seconds to go. Come on. Very good, very good. Jump, jump. And 30 seconds done. Come on, Lisa Didi. Jump, 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 jump. Come on. Very good, Dr. Annie. 40 over. Come on, Gayatri. Very good. With this, we are almost done with 50 seconds. And last 5 seconds to go. Very good. Come on. And done. Very good. With this, let me just tell you once again from the right hand side. Okay? Chalo, I'm starting the counter. Let us start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 30 seconds over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 50 seconds over. And last 10 seconds to go. With this, we are getting closer and closer towards the end of the workout. We are done. Okay, let us start the same thing on the left hand side now. Let me start the counter. With this, we start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Lift up more. Come on, everyone. More and more and more. With this, 20 seconds over. Last 40 seconds to go. Let's work it out together. Come on. Yes. 30 seconds done. Halfway through. Chalo. Let's do it. Yes. Yes. And 40 seconds over. Last 15 seconds to go. Come on. 1, 2, 5 more seconds to go. And 5, 4, 3, and done. Very good. Okay. Next from here, touch, touch, touch. Okay. And then left. So both we will do for 1 minute each. Chalo, I started the counter. Left toe touch. 1, 1, 1. Come on. Touch. your toes with your fingers. Very good. Very good. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Oh my God, we are almost done with 40 seconds. Last 20 seconds to go. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Last 2 to go. And we are done with the left leg now. So we will start the same with the right leg. Okay? Chal. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 10 and 9 and 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 35 seconds over. 25 more to go. Come on. Let's do it. 4 more exercises to go. And we are done for today. Monday evening. We are all very, very lucky. Pat yourself. And with this, we are done. Okay? So now, 4 more exercises to go and we will be done. High knees, butt kick, and then we will lie down and bicycle crunches, and then we will just crunch toe crunch. Okay? Chalo, I am starting the counter now. 4 more minutes to go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And with this, done with 20 seconds. Very good. Yes. Let's do it. Come on. Very good. Very sweet of you, Dr. Annie. Your daughter is also accompanying you. So nice of her. Very nice, baby. And with this, we are done with 50 seconds. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, and we are done. From here, let us start. Butt kick. Chalo everyone. Let us start. And after this, 2 more exercises to go. And we are done for today's workout. Everything from top to bottom, we worked on our body today. Very good. 25 seconds over. 30 seconds over. Halfway through. Forty seconds. Last 20 to go. Yes. Yes. 50. Done. 55. And we are done with this. Come on. Let us come down on our mat to finish the last 2 exercises. Let me just show you one. We will do bicycle crunches. 1, 2, left elbow touches the right, right elbow touches the left, left elbow touches the right. Okay? And starting the counter now. Come on, let us start. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Let's continue. 20 seconds over. 30 seconds over. Very good. Let's continue for half a minute more. 40 seconds over. Come on. 10 more seconds to go. And we will be done. Only one last exercise to go after that. With this, we are done with 1 minute. Very good. And then last exercise, come up. 1, back, 1, back, 1, back, 1, and back. Like this, we will continue. Okay? So, I am starting the counter. Let us start. Right, back, left, back, 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 40 seconds, right, back, left, back, right, back, left, back, right, back, left, back, and last, right, and back, and we are done with the set of exercises. With this, we are done for today. Let us sit straight. Let us sit straight and place your palms in Prapti Mudra. Keep your eyes closed. Keep your eyes closed. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Hold Namaskar or Namaste in front of your heart. Let us chant Om once to finish the practice for today. Deep inhale. Let us start rubbing our palms. Rub them fast. Let's rub them fast, as fast as you can to generate some heat and place it on your face. Give some warmth to your eyes, keeping your eyes closed. Bring the palms in front of your eyes. Put a smile on your face, looking at your palms. Gently open your eyes. Thank you for joining for today. Have a nice evening, and let us see you back again on Wednesday evening, same time, 8:30. Enjoy.
Thank you.
Thank you. Very nice to see you. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye. Thank you. Thank you.
Good night, everyone.
Good
Bye.
night.
Good night.